Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, June 29th. The Zen story for today is titled The Mason and the Boulder. The mason wiped his brow and pressed his hands against the boulder. For years, this giant stone had blocked the village road, forcing travelers to take the long way around. The villagers had long since accepted it, but today the mason decided to move it. A mason named Rui returned home after years of work in a distant city. At the entrance, he found this massive boulder blocking the path. The villagers walked around it each day, grumbling at its presence but making no effort to move. Seeing an obstacle where others saw a nuisance, Rui stepped forward. He placed his hands upon the rough surface and heaved with all his might. It barely budged. Yet, undeterred, he tried again and again. The villagers stopped to watch, curious but unconvinced. Why waste your energy, they said. The boulder has always been here. At last, with one final heave, Louis felt the stone shift. Beneath it, he discovered a small hollow filled with gold coins and a note that read, "He who makes the path easier for others is rewarded beyond measure." The villagers gasped, realizing they had walked past this hidden treasure every day. Rui knelt, picked up a single coin, and left the rest behind. As he walked away, a young boy ran after him and asked, "Why take only one?" Rui chuckled, "Because I have all that I need." Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe let your eyes close gently and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here, in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What obstacles in your life might be hiding opportunities? What obstacles in your life might be hiding opportunities? How does effort shape the way we perceive value? How does effort shape the way we perceive value? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.